Guys, it is possible making 20% trading high cap stocks. I did it today and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I'm the stock guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube, and I'm going to be breaking down my trade today to show you how exactly I made over 20% trading Apple. And you might be asking yourself, well, how did I make 20% if it only went up about 3%? That's because I was trading options. I was trading Apple stock options, and I'm going to be explaining all that in this video. All right, so let's get right into it here. I was able to capitalize on this move today on Apple, only actually a very small portion of it where it broke out here. But I'm going to be showing you guys exactly why I bought into it and why I held when I did and what was going through my mind when I was having this position. So initially, I was trading SPY, which is represented here by the /ES futures. This is the mini S&P futures, but I was trading the SPY, but it's basically the same thing. It just shows you a different time frame basically on here. And what I was seeing is right here at the market open. This is when the market opened here. We just started going on this bullish run, and it was crazy. So I knew that there could be some serious moves today. And as I was just kind of checking some other things out, I saw Apple, and I saw this move happening right here. I saw that it had a very strong move and was then starting to have a pullback. So I caught it right about here is when I started seeing it, okay? Now, I wasn't too ready to just jump into it here because it had really all this room to make up. But where I did decide to start getting in is when it broke out above this level here. I let it go for a little bit, and then what I did is I waited for it to come back right here. So it pulled back to this old resistance, which is now acting as a support here. So it broke out here, and then as it pulled back, I got in. And I actually only wrote it up to this candle right here. It was where I took off my position. I sold my call options, and I was able to make 21% on this. So 21 cents per contract. I got in exactly, let's see, I actually have it for you guys here. Where is it here? So I got in at $1.16 right here and was able to ride it up to this candle and sold at $1.37, making 21 cents per contract. So 20% there, 21% about. And I thought that was just a killer trade. So let me tell you exactly why I got in. So like I said, I was watching the S&P, and I saw how bullish it was, and I caught it at around this level. And once I saw this break out and I saw it was strong and it started to pull back, I was checking out the futures, and this is what I was seeing. Okay? So I was really watching these highs here, and by the time I got to Apple, SPY had already, the S&P had already tested this, broke out through it, and now is hanging out around here. And I figured it had a lot of room to go, at least till here. So I knew that the market was still very bullish. So I thought I felt safe getting into this Apple play here. I was on a long and letting it go up. I felt very safe since I knew the market was going to continue trending up. I probably should have held this a lot longer. I probably would have made a lot more. But I was glad I got out when I did because of this major pullback it had right here. I wouldn't have liked holding through that. But yeah, that's basically how I was able to make 21 cents per contract. So 21% basically. Day trading Apple today. It was pretty good. It was really a great trade, and I'm hoping to get some more like this. So if you guys did like this video, go ahead and check out some of my other ones. I have a lot more like it. And if you guys want to join my Discord group where I was talking about these trades, and I also have over 100 other traders, you can go ahead and add me on Discord, and I can get you. Oops. Where is it? Try to get my name up here. Well, I'm the stock guru, okay? So you guys can just add me on here. I'm trying to get the numbers here. What the heck? I had it up for you guys. I'll pull it up on my phone real quick and just get the exact name for you guys so you guys can add me on Discord, and then I can add you to my chat because I have this chat with tons of people in it, okay? So, okay, so it's the stock guru, 8166 if you guys want to add me, okay? It's the space stock space guru hashtag 8166 if you guys want to add me on Discord, and I'll invite you into my trading circle group, okay? So I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take it easy, have a good day, and peace out.